Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I'm going to share you how to make this beautiful neckline. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have taken a canvas paper, fold this by half in width. Now draw a straight line. And from the folded side, mark 3 inch. From here, mark 6 inch. Extend these points. Now from here, mark 6.5 inch. Draw a straight line. Now draw a V neckline. From this point, mark 1 inch. I'm joining these points. Now I'm going to cut it. This is how it looks. Now I'll place this in the piece of fabric. I have placed this in a fabric and I have hung it. Now fold the edges like this and make a stitch. Make small cuts. I have taken a bias tape. Now I'm attaching this at the right side of the neckline. Now turn this to the wrong side and make a stitch. I have finished attaching. This is how it looks. Now I'll place this to the front side of the kurti. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Now I'm placing the neckline. By matching the center of the neckline onto the front portion, I'll make a stitch here. I finished attaching. Now I'll trim the excess fabric. Make a small cuts all over the neck and turn it to the right side of the fabric. This is how it looks. Now I have taken a piece of fabric, fold the fabric like this. and fold it, then place it below the neckline and make a stitch. Firstly, I'll attach the strips. Now I'm placing this under the neckline and I'm making a stitch. Now turn this. I have taken a piece of fabric, length and width is 2 inch. Now fold the fabric exactly like this and one more time and place it under the pressure foot and make a stitch. Similarly, finish the neckline. Now trim the excess fabric. Now overlap the neckline and make a stitch. Now make a top stitch. So make a stitch here. So it's so simple to make. It's a very easy neckline. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. With this, my stitching is complete.